Our planet is alive, constantly shaping and reshaping itself.
Icebergs carve valleys, creating landscapes over millennia.
Rivers form, wildlife adapts. Earth never stops creating. Beneath our feet, Earth is never still.
Deep pressure forces molten rock to the surface.
This is how new land is born.
What looks like destruction is creation.
Earth's plates collide with unstoppable force. Mountains rise, shaped over millions of years.
Every layer records Earth's past. The planet reshapes itself silently. Without pause, without rest. This is only the beginning. Change doesn't always begin with force.
Sometimes it begins quietly.
Over time, water reshapes the land.
What starts small becomes unstoppable.
Stone slowly gives way to persistence.
Entire landscapes are carved by water.
Where water flows, life follows. Even floods reshape the future of the land.
After change, balance returns.
And the cycle continues.
Some forces work in silence. Ice moves slowly, but nothing stops it.
Valleys are shaped by frozen time.
Nothing lasts forever.
Ice becomes water, and the cycle continues. Ice becomes water, and the cycle continues.
Life adapts to even the coldest changes. Ice holds memories of the past.
The frozen world, regeneration, slowly transforms.
And time moves forward. When the Earth changes, life does not disappear. It begins again. Every step is a search for survival. Where water flows, life follows. Adaptation is not easy.
but life finds a way.
Balance slowly returns. Survival becomes routine.
Life and Earth move together.
The planet adapts, and so does life.
Earth is not chaos.
It is balance.
Fire creates.
Water shapes.
And life adapts. Each force knows its place. Nothing exists alone.
Everything is connected. This balance keeps the planet alive.
But balance is fragile.
The Earth doesn't need us.
It has survived before.
It always finds a way. Life returns.
The question is,